What is this?
What is it? Won't you let me sleep?
Why are you doing this?
What?
You are denying me.
Babe, my bro.
For the past 2 months, the beer me bound chawa brother, dear man away.
I also say if you had to cleaning, cooking,
cleaning, who you cleaning? No company money cleaning.
I'm tired.
Come on, stop.
Oh! So you won't let me sleep?
Let me also feel okay now.
Okay, say, I'm tired.
You are tired, dear man, are you no fiano? It do my ben away. Also, I need fruit and corn in our upper way.
I'm not feeling well. I have a headache.
You'll be fine after this, will be okay.
Oh! Makoda Bontio.
What happened to say?
What are you trying to do right now?
Are you not my wife?
Oh, dear, my dear, I'm tired.
The beer did. Why are you doing this?
Oh!
Tini how you need? Are you okay? No, we are going to say no.
Sleep.
You know what? I'll give you time to rest. I'll not come again. Okay? Just.
No. Dear, did she? Oh, yeah. Dick's there.
Was here that one bedroom.
Wonderful.
Oh yeah, nice guy, so I shot.
Hey, sir. Oh, 2 dicks necessary.
That's right.
No, baby, no.
Oh, me okay.
Sir, it's nice here.
Oh, the prediction back and I'm also out that room.
Oh, it's nice to cut. Can you see now?
Madam, please. I'm in a hurry, please. Okay.
You're in a hurry.
Yes, please.
Okay, you just sit down and wait for me. Let me go and get it for you. Okay.
Let me be here.
Sit down.
Madam.
Sit down.
I'm here for the dicks. I ain't there, but me know when she. Somebody mama, you know.
Oh. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Go get me the dicks and let me leave your bed, please. Okay.
So
No, I'm okay.
Sir.
Yes, please. I'm okay.
Okay, maybe.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Yeah, we're doing. Roger Dix. And I want to share. One thing as you go to actually. Mr. Oh.
See the way now, can. Here we are. Oh, okay.
Okay. So.
Okay. See ya. Oh. Me kwana me feel.
Madam, do you know something? I'm working, so let me go, okay?
You're Matty.
I hope everything is fine with you.
And your fan can't be fine.
Say, Niama now and I say a strange man can cry, you know. And then, Madam,
yes.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay. So can I go now?
Do you want to go?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Can I go?
Okay.
Thank you very much, okay? Have a nice day. Madam. Are you okay? Have a nice day, okay?
Okay. Jordan.
Madam.
Oh boy. Sinani bochi. Minyana kamedi ni be ma dear pa.
What are you taking?
Oh, this is green tea.
Where's mine?
Your what?
My breakfast.
I didn't know you wanted breakfast.
Like how? Am I fasting? No, I'm not. So definitely I'll eat.
Oh, okay. So go and eat.
I should go and eat. What are you sitting there for? Are you not supposed to prepare my breakfast?
Babe, what's preventing you from making breakfast?
What is preventing me from making my breakfast?
For yourself, yes.
For myself?
Yeah.
You're expecting me to go out there, work hard, hustle, get whatever you need, provide your needs, and still come to the kitchen and prepare my own food. Are you okay?
Ma, only in your mouth.
No. What do you do in this house? Tell me. Aside watching TV and eating, you don't do anything.
And staying nice for you.
And staying nice for me. And you think that is enough, right? I should tell Olisa to do it for me.
Yeah, she can
Is she my
breakfast.
wife?
But she can make breakfast.
You are my wife. You are supposed to do this. At the normal circumstance, you are supposed to even wash my clothing. But I understand, okay, yes, you want to keep appearance, fine, so be it. Agreed. But at least get me food to eat as a wife.
Sweetie, it's just breakfast. Go and make it for
Let me tell you
yourself.
something. Marriage is not about babe. Marriage is not about sweetie. Marriage is not about no.
But is it about cooking and washing?
Yes, it comes with responsibilities.
My responsibility is to make sure that I stay good and I look good for you and you are happy. You know, not to be in the kitchen. Besides, it's just breakfast.
Look at you. Can you assess my happiness? How do you measure my happiness?
Aren't you happy? Sure, babe, we are somewhere near Simbia. Maoli in Koim. Anna, what's his name? Small boy, no.
You listen to yourself.
Is
it okay? Do you listen to yourself when you're talking to me? I should call the cleaner to come and prepare my breakfast.
Or Oli.
And as... Hey. No. What do you think you are doing? This you want to live with me in this house, isn't it? Do I look like a slave?
Do I also look like your personal maid?
No, you don't look like my
Exactly.
personal. You are my wife and you should behave as such.
What him say? Good na how kasa baby. What didn't you see so kawai stand me who? I'm a way 3 million nego. Him say.
You are comfortable in this life.
Besides, it's too early in the morning for you to be talking plainly like this. You're giving me a headache.
I'm giving you a headache. Hey, I'm giving you a headache.
I didn't change.
I didn't change. I didn't change. I don't blame you. I didn't change. Till the Didi. I didn't change. Made the me from young come.
Don't be dramatic. In your mouth, not breakfast, they say, baby, and ye be
And ye be sorry, prepare.
Why would
I shout? Why do you want to take my leniency to be my weakness?
You see, by a crank, how ye be now the be bram a crank, and ye bad. Baby, concern much your lady beware.
Over there.
In concern, what about you, concern?
Why?
As it just said. Wacky to you too, baby. Yes. Breakfast cake now I'll be John Casa baby. So buy me a 7 months to me.
Akwari sunu ho nika ho. Ni panche. Yesi aja nyame nhire na mani pa yodefo. Wa hwenti. Jordan.
Boss.
Na ni mante mo konka. I even don't know how to start, but Sameka. One kasa utu where you bani.
Sure.
Jordan, I need a cook.
Yeah, sure. That one is very necessary because based on what your wife is doing, I think that if you get someone who can cook for you, it'll be far better for you.
Yeah, it's the best. I'll say when I'm down simply because I'll catch up on things soon. I just like you washing your dirty linen in a public. And in person, if you have some backup on thing.
So should I get you someone?
Sure, get me someone.
Okay.
But it will be all very neat. Now I'll send him your local new and then
That's not a big problem. I'm trying to my phobia more. And I'm saying then so I'll get some for you, so don't worry.
Oh yes, yeah. So to about maintenance and follow on you. And besides, on say I did be one ma important in life. Say nyame to nsem na oni ni pay ye adwuma. Ye oni pa mienu a young romo. Baako cook.
Sure.
When you need near nsuo mpo no. Ma ne nsa bi ma ona because we dear group or the overcome had a camera easily. And a 2 your personal driver. Sani pemuni or more life man for moon agro. And I also meet you deep until I say pe cook a mamma.
No problem.
And it's also do be bar the slow penny or ginity.
No problem. Don't say me know you do much. And right now, no, you are my big brother, my father, my everything. So say, baby, how na or catch me at least. Or say, Mr. Try impossible best now. My boy one in my bedroom. So, yeah, and a big problem. You know, so me poor be I say be. Me name na very good to say me. So now, you be have fine now. A wife or better says I say, oh, people be say, oh, me do any more.
Jordan, I come on come.
Oh, no, that one's also on the casa because
asem bia nu amene ne nkan obese san ka wasesa obeye duane media na ka at least ya wariri na ka dakro obetutu ne nails no egu baby e de ya duane media enti mesro don't me why
no problem. Must try na ma pe bia because so wife may ye problem bia on in tem dia.
O problem the same.
So wife hard make a crowd. Hard never.
Oh yes mo. Ye chair ni nyaaya ne no ono. Eni nti ne intimate ntwene. Intimate no ntwene asabe. Nipa ball ani baby a And Kenya Sanka. A word to the wise is enough.
Blessing. The same no do for her. On fear am with me. A boss no. So he be a man and na say wa kwa fear honey ade so. Ana da too many same problem man. Na me so me chef you ho na me koso fie ho na. Bo fie ho no ma I think say you go okay. Unse wuti fie. In na hwe onkoma. Mia na me ko di pa na ma sa brosika. Ti se woso ni na ebo na nka woni bebi sei be hye na otimi no nua na ye fio kama bosumi 2k eni sika ketewa wo 20 million eni sika ketewa the boss were good with my increase kan mama o hwe so wo hwe mo de mo betu mo bia be 3k bi na da show ntimi se me sa sika wi akwa bontene party no o se mo no di nkomo na me do kofi ho na di ho bia no na waka and me want to me flow. So no, also the majority that say you have no idea where you're best. Why any issue be to your dream ya na you be can na me do akofio na bibia to why
so who trim me trade na nkomo we ya na me
listen I say no can za akuna we be to no mo say me catch na hu dia we catch me say me choose this I say no come ka say
oh yes I bet say na say who say house help and I say me cook and I say
so you cook with me bogo afio ni ade on say dey aduma dey ono me boss no good o so hu dia we na me do ko na bibia ni a ono kana o start aduma ko me nko ano chale na easy
wa say who person me buy nti wa sheda say ai na me unim say aduane no ade me ya ade dada wo me no ti fie aduane me ya kra ultimate me ya udi me da me panim go asesem bia obi fie china nkoma me ye aduane bia ma wona ne ma a mejijeje omo na rough bia me serew pa me ye
unse wo ya hye ho bone de oba ti se wonti unse aduane no unimu no wonti me kan na ka bia ka se wo me sua bibi te se oshotum so no aduane no wonti no unne bibia be boa me blow listen me bra fucking na me kosi na me dine kwa na me fasi nti wu akonya we be to no ma madam me ka se ma chiro me meti me fidi sa me yiska ma wu ene wo fone wu ta no ko online sa ben konya akosua se no me pa cho kosua se no aduane na me nko de bi am tiska ma no me meti na sa ne bi mu adwuma na ba fi ato no no na wa na obi afa me no de si mi so se me mpeni pa mra me so me tiska na be kwa bonten enti hu de wo ye de na onim no me so wo de wo nya de ne wo me kam otum na ye ode wotie kosua aduane no se ne aduane kwa na obukwa ko no okokro mpo na ode pipa fi ho ye pipa honom ni ade no ko no okay me boss no aduane se me kwa de aya wo hye na mpagye ngidi sa wotie ti ade we hia me pa fi ho na wo ko no do ko chem boss wi a ho emo obi akro hu se me no no ibu entem
nti se na wodi me besie no ade fi ho no mo no wo girl bi wo ha na
listen me wo my office am do be kan wo se be ye adwuma ka chem se me mo girl fi ho no man bless hey me ka se ma chiro tim man ko osum ma fi ho ni pe bi hu se me ne wo no your connection da bi ye adwuma na wo ye
na menti ase na sa wodi me isia na me oba fun sa girl no me wodi me isia na se den as in what
if you ko chechira
na wo boss no wo gina no wo ya akra until girl no me na wo boss no hu sa girlfriend me what's wrong with that wodi me isie Jordan
asem na me kan wonti yo
mati
mo obi hu se me no bibi koso entem simple ye wadwuma hu mi on ma no achia me na wo ye wadwuma na ma kyere mo ye medie
utu wo nya akra enti wo boss no hu sa wo
blessing
mo de mati
ana ka sen be so betiza da ben boabo na me fa ko fi o otie yo na me ka choro ba fi o me ye hu se baby o fi o no uni me Ishia ofie. Ono me de enko yesa na manam no. What is no ka che ono?
Pesa wo be krokro me hu me awo.
If you masa, if you me krokro ono mo. O de me bi ndi do ho.
Ntu me ye bone awo be.
O you metian.
Wo na me nko. Wo ya me nko.
De wo dia kro. Transfer me go si wo nko yen pa.
Okay.
Yeah. We saw them do come so cook. Na my ya my people now so never have a chair was very interested and started.
Okay. Young girl in there. Okay. How well do you know her?
Oh, I know her very much, and then I know the family, and then I believe in her as well.
Okay. She's beautiful though. Yeah, very neat.
Thank you.
Welcome. Younger, what's your name?
Yes, I'm Blessing.
Blessing.
Yes.
Do you have a surname?
Osua.
Those who are Blessing.
Yes, please.
What's your dad's name?
I don't know my dad, so.
Oh, sorry, you just let it land. Well, based on good reference, I think you'll be good to go because she's very neat. And then, did you discuss the salary with her?
Everything.
Younger, how soon can you move in?
What?
How soon can you move in?
Oh, even if it's possible, if it will be possible, I can.
Yeah.
It's possible. That's why I'm asking because you can't be living at where you are living and cooking for me.
Okay, then.
That's why I'm asking. How soon can you live in? Can you move in?
Are you ready to come?
Oh, yeah, I'm ready.
Sure.
Okay.
So any moment from now, I can be here.
Yeah.
Okay. Since you live at the same place, when she's ready, go and pack her belongings and bring her.
Thank you very much, boss.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, welcome.
Since you are coming here, just be a good girl. And he is my boss. Respect him, okay? Very good.
And then, secondly, you'll be here to cook. Yes, I understand. That's your rules of engagement. Like everything will be outlined. You know what to prepare, what not to do, and other stuff. So, but you'll be helping company.
Oh, yeah.
I have a small boy. Yeah, you'll be helping him to take care of the environment. Like cleaning the place as well. Hope that will be fine with you.
Oh, yeah, I don't have any problem
Okay, no problem. Then I think it's okay. Yeah, I'll give you the offer. I'll give you a try.
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. He's a good man, so don't disappoint him.
Oh, she knows everything. That's why I brought her here.
Don't disappoint him.
Okay.
I trust him.
I will do that.
That's why I asked him to get me someone. Hope I'm okay.
Yes, please.
That's fine.
Thank you very much.
So she can start as soon as possible.
So then let's go and pack everything.
Thank you, sir.
Boss.
Okay.
And
then come. Oh, you wait for me. No, you come. Namu. Kaya the data cool.
oh yeah, I had it.
Kaya very good.
Very good girl.
Okay. Kaya the data no problem. Mama, before I take out and kasaya abenga IPT now.
We're in traffic light in the
Kagama abenga Florida.
Okay.
Na che baka package nka kagani.
Okay. Woman and I.
Okay.
So say.
Nka samish ka boy samba ka samish buku.
Nkra KOD.
Yeah, you just.
Okay.
I will charge you. All right.
Fifi. Me patrol, me na me house help wa ha say.
House help. Ewa ha.
Please.
Dabe na ba ha.
Oh, when rain you na me be do here.
Into da fie hair and dry.
Aye. Enro kra me te o kasa ofro be say na wo dey mo nti.
Into where then?
Patrol ka me be no mo kakra ma boss. That's a kitchen home so name and na me pia ba ha no ma.
Babe. Who is that?
Who?
Why would you bring someone into this house without telling me? Huh? You decided to go and bring a cook into the house, and me, I'm your wife. I live in the same house with you. You decided not to tell me.
Why are you shouting?
Why am I shouting?
Yeah, calm down, relax. Relax and talk to me.
Hey. Madam, you say yes to onion yampa. Beje me so be bisa mo necessary questions na free. Me free hin say. Na free na where are you from? Ka bro for sembia wo fie ho.
What is your problem?
What is my problem? I am the woman of the house. Do you not think that before you decide to bring someone into the house, you need to let me know?
Since when did you become the woman of the house?
What kind of question is that?
I just want to know.
Am I not married to you?
Good. And as a woman of the house, what do you do for your husband?
My thing is, how would you feel if I bring someone into the house without telling you?
You don't have that right.
I do not have that right?
Yes.
What are you trying to tell me? Is this not my husband's house? Do we not make decisions together?
It's your husband's house, but you can only make a decision with your husband if you feel he's your husband. If you feel you have to fill his tummy. If you feel your husband has to eat and live. If your husband has to live, then he must eat.
And if you are now what's in a I don't understand. What's your problem? So because of that, you have to bring someone, a woman, into the house to come and cook for you without telling me.
Let me find out from you. Do you need rocket science to understand your husband is starving? Huh? Look straight into my face and tell me.
Even though, you should have still told me, okay? I don't like this. What kind of surprise is that? Send me to her now, no baby abba. Nambi kuni na abba. Say to obey Adrian man, won't can't try me. That is not right.
Me telling you and me not telling you, what difference does it make?
It shows respect, okay? You have to tell me.
You are craving for respect now. Oh. So it's good for you to get a respect, isn't it? It's good. You deserve respect. Yes, you do. And equally, I deserve respect.
Have I disrespected you? Anyway, I'm not comfortable with this thing. She has to leave.
As far as she's going to fill my tummy, I'm comfortable with her in
I
this
am
house.
not comfortable with her. She has to, and I'm your wife. Okay, I have a say in this, and I'm telling you that she has to leave. Before someone comes here, we will both have a conversation about it and agree before she comes here.
Let me tell you something. You've lost that control.
Yes. She will leave this house.
She wouldn't.
She will.
She wouldn't.
She will leave.
Oh, come on. Don't be tickling yourself and laughing at the same time. You are not going to get this done. No, you will not do that, would you? She has to prepare food for me. Even company and those workers, they are complaining. They are complaining of hunger. We are not in Sudan. We are in Ghana.
There's food in the house. Is there no food in the house?
Ah.
My problem is not the fact that you have decided that someone should come and cook. My problem is, why is it that I do not know the person is coming?
Good, and now you know?
I shouldn't know when she comes. I should know before she comes here. That's why I'm telling you that she's leaving. What's not make her sure? Whether you like it or not, she's going to leave. She's leaving this house.
She's not leaving. Look at you. She's leaving the house. I didn't inform me. You call yourself the woman of the house, the chick of it. She's not leaving. I'll be eating fufu, bankum, akple and fiteredechi. I'll go for TZ, kunkunte and pepper, my favorite. As a typical Adam man, Adam woman, kunkunte and pepper. Yes.